Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best foldable electric scooter of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Adults Electric Scooter. The Adults Electric Scooter is a high-performance and feature-packed mode of personal transportation with a powerful 2400W dual motor system. This electric scooter is designed for adults seeking an efficient and exhilarating commuting experience. The 11-inch off-road wheels contribute to enhanced stability and control, making it suitable for various terrains. One notable feature is the integration of a smart app, which adds a layer of convenience and customization to the riding experience. Through the app, users can potentially access real-time data, adjust settings, and track various aspects of their scooter's performance. The inclusion of a substantial 20.8 Ah removable battery is a practical design choice, offering users the flexibility to easily replace or recharge the battery for extended usage. The significant battery capacity also contributes to an impressive long-range capability of up to 50 miles on a single charge, making it a practical choice for daily commuting or longer journeys. Speed enthusiasts will appreciate the scooter's impressive top speed of up to 37 miles per hour, providing a fast and efficient means of getting around. Additionally, the dual motor setup contributes to powerful acceleration and the ability to tackle off-road environments with ease. In summary, the 2400W Adults Electric Scooter offers a compelling combination of power, range, and smart features, making it a versatile choice for adults looking for a reliable and thrilling electric scooter for their commuting needs. Product 2: Joyer Electric Scooter. The Joyer Electric Scooter is a powerful and efficient mode of personal transportation designed for adults seeking a convenient and eco-friendly commuting solution. With its robust 2000W800W motor, this electric scooter provides a swift and exhilarating riding experience, reaching speeds of up to 31 mph, making it suitable for various urban and off-road terrains. One of the notable features of the Joyer electric scooter is its impressive range, capable of covering distances of 54.34 miles on a single charge. This extended range is advantageous for users who rely on electric scooters for daily commuting or leisure rides, without the need for frequent recharging. Safety is a top priority, and the Joyer electric scooter is equipped with dual disc brakes and shock absorption technology. The dual disc brake system ensures reliable and responsive braking, enhancing overall rider safety. Additionally, the shock absorption feature helps smooth out the ride, reducing for a more comfortable and stable journey. The 10 off-road tires contribute to the scooter's versatility, allowing riders to navigate various terrains with confidence. Whether it's city streets, suburban paths, or rough off-road trails, the Joyer electric scooter is designed to handle diverse environments. In summary, the Joyer electric scooter offers a powerful and feature-rich solution for adults seeking a reliable and efficient electric commuting option. With its impressive motor power, extended range, safety features, and off-road capabilities, this electric scooter caters to a broad range of riders, providing a compelling alternative for those. Product 3: T88 Electric Scooter for Adults. The T88 Electric Scooter for Adults is an advanced and high-performance electric scooter designed to cater to the needs of adult riders. Equipped with a powerful 5600W dual motor, this scooter delivers an impressive performance, capable of reaching a maximum speed of 50 mph. The scooter is powered by a substantial 60V38.5Ah battery, providing an extended range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for both short commutes and longer journeys. Safety features are prioritized in the T88 electric scooter, featuring dual oil disc braking and dual hydraulic shock absorption systems. These technologies contribute to efficient braking and a smooth ride, enhancing overall rider safety and comfort. The inclusion of 11 vacuum off-road tires further ensures stability and traction, making it suitable for various terrains. For added convenience, the scooter comes with a dual charger, allowing users to efficiently charge both batteries simultaneously. This feature helps minimize downtime and ensures the scooter is ready for use when needed. In summary, the T88 electric scooter for adults stands out as a powerful, long-range electric scooter with advanced safety features and off-road capabilities. It aims to provide a reliable and comfortable commuting option for adults seeking an efficient and eco-friendly mode of transportation. Product 4. Product name: Airl A11 electric scooter. The Airl A11 electric scooter for adults is an advanced and high-performance electric vehicle designed to cater to the needs of modern urban commuters. Equipped with an impressive 800W motor, this electric scooter provides a powerful and efficient means of transportation. With a top speed of 25 mph, it ensures swift and convenient travel, allowing users to reach their destinations quickly. One of the standout features of the Airl A11 is its substantial range, boasting an impressive 40 miles on a single charge. This extended range is especially beneficial for users who require their electric scooters for daily commuting or longer trips, without the need for frequent recharging. Safety is a top priority for the Airl A11, as evidenced by its dual-disc brake system. This braking mechanism enhances control and responsiveness, offering riders a reliable way to navigate various terrains and traffic conditions. The shock absorption feature, coupled with the 10 experience, even on uneven surfaces. Designed specifically for adults, the Airl A11 electric scooter combines power, range, and safety features to create a versatile and practical mode of transportation. Whether navigating city streets or exploring off-road paths, this electric scooter aims to meet the demands of discerning riders who seek a reliable and Product 5. Product name: Scooter for hilly area riders. The scooter for hilly area riders represents a specialized solution, catering to the unique needs of riders navigating hilly terrains. One standout option in this category is the dual-motor and motion climber electric scooter for adults. Designed with a focus on performance and adaptability to challenging landscapes, this electric scooter addresses the specific requirements of riders who frequently traverse hilly areas. Key features: dual motor configuration. The InMotion Climber electric scooter is equipped with dual motors, enhancing its power and torque capabilities. This feature is especially crucial for conquering steep inclines, commonly found in hilly regions. The dual-motor setup provides the necessary thrust and stability for a seamless riding experience on challenging terrains. Adaptive climbing capability. The scooter is engineered to adapt to varying gradients and inclines, ensuring a smooth ascent and descent on hilly surfaces. This adaptive climbing capability is essential for riders who encounter different elevations during their journeys, providing both efficiency and safety. Robust build and suspension. Recognizing the demands of hilly landscapes, the scooter boasts a robust build and advanced suspension system. This combination enhances durability, stability, and rider comfort, allowing users to confidently navigate uneven and challenging terrains without compromising on safety or performance. Long-lasting battery life. To cater to longer rides in areas where charging stations may be scarce, the electric scooter is equipped with a high-capacity battery. The extended battery life ensures that riders can cover substantial distances on a single charge, offering convenience and reliability for hilly terrain explorations. Intelligent control and safety features. The scooter incorporates intelligent control features, such as responsive braking systems and customizable riding modes. These safety features are designed to provide riders with optimal control and responsiveness, especially crucial when traversing hilly areas with varying road conditions. Compact and portable design. Despite its powerful features, the scooter maintains a compact and portable design, allowing riders to easily transport and store it when not in use. This feature adds practicality to the scooter, making it suitable for both urban commuting and adventurous rides in hilly regions. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.